Today in my kitchen I have just made a delicious batch of spicy sweet potato vegan soup. It's incredibly delicious, super healthy, nourishing, and I am absolutely certain that you're gonna love it. But before we go and see how easy it is to make, please subscribe to my channel, click thumbs up and leave me a comment if you like what you see here and let me know how you get on. Okay, let's go. First job, chop your sweet potato into cubes or little pieces. You can peel off the skin or you can leave the skin on, but if you leave the skin on, just cut any gnarly bits off the end first. It's actually a lot easier if you just leave the skin on, to be honest. That's about 1 can of chickpeas, about 500 milliliters of passata. If you don't have passata, then just use canned tomato. And then you want enough water so that it's going to fill just to the top of the level of all the ingredients. You want to get a fine grater and take some fresh ginger, and you want to grate about 2 teaspoons worth of ginger. I want up to 2 teaspoons of sea salt, a tablespoon of ground coriander. Depending on how much you like chili, how spicy you want it, go for like about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon if you want it really hot of chili. I've used this chili from a jar. You can use a little bit of chili powder, or even better still, use fresh chilies. This is easy chilies that you can get in a jar. It just makes it so much easier. You want to put it on your hob and then bring it to the boil. And then once it's come to a boil, you want to just turn it down to simmer and let it cook on a low sort of heat for about 25 minutes. So if you've got creamed coconut in a block, you want to just get a little bit, about this much. It's probably about 35 grams worth. And just chop it up into little pieces. It takes the soup to a whole new level if you pop this in it. So I'm going to pop this in right at the end. And what that will do, it will just impart this delicious creaminess and this depth of flavour. That's been cooking for about 25 minutes. And once you can easily pierce the sweet potato with a fork and crush it, then you know it's ready. You're going to mix it in and that's going to create a nice creaminess. So that is ready now, or you can let it stew for ages if you want and let all the sweet potato fall apart. That's entirely up to you. If you want to meld everything together, just get a potato masher or a hand blender and just go through it a little bit like that. That's completely up to you. You can have it super big and chunky, or you can have it more mashy if you want. I'm just really coming out with all the technical terms today. So I quite like that. I think that's just about perfect. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do hope that you love this as much as we do here. Let me know how you get on. Remember to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.